2005 Harley-Davidson High Roller. Price, $8,500. Mileage, 15,000 miles. Location, Charleston, South Carolina. This 2005 Harley-Davidson High Roller is a true one-of-a-kind custom cruiser that blends classic Harley attitude with bold, eye-catching style. With just 15,000 miles, this bike is well broken and yet still has plenty of life left, making it perfect as a reliable daily rider or a standout weekend machine. Finished in sleek black, it carries a strong road presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Built to ride and enjoy, this high roller runs perfectly and delivers smooth, confident performance through its manual transmission and dependable Harley power. The custom details and unique character set it apart from standard models, while its solid condition makes it ready to ride with no excuses. Priced at $8,500 to sell quickly, this is a rare opportunity to own a distinctive Harley that combines individuality, performance, and everyday rideability in one unforgettable package. 2008 Harley-Davidson Thunder Mountain Keystone 110 Custom Softail Chopper. Price, contact for price. Mileage, 8,699 miles. Location, Syracuse, Utah, approximately 30 miles north of Salt Lake City. This extremely rare 2008 Thunder Mountain Keystone 110 is a stunning example of American custom craftsmanship blended with Harley-Davidson reliability. Built through a partnership between Thunder Mountain Custom Cycles and Harley-Davidson, this semi-custom chopper delivers the aggressive look of a hardtail with a smooth, comfortable ride of a hidden rear suspension. Powered by a fuel-injected Screamin' Eagle 110 CI, 1,800 cubic centimeters, twin-cam engine paired with a Baker 6-speed transmission and right-side drive, this bike offers serious power, balance, and an unforgettable riding experience. The metallic yellow paint with silver accents and red pinstriping is a true one-off masterpiece, complemented by chrome throughout, a massive 300mm rear tire, and Vance & Hines big radius exhaust that sounds as good as it looks. With extremely low miles, meticulous care, and a build quality that originally commanded over $40,000, this Keystone is a rare opportunity to own a head-turning high-performance custom chopper that rides as beautifully as it looks. 2007 Big Dog Mastiff Custom Pro Street Softail Chopper. Price, contact for price, originally nearly $35,000 new. Mileage, 1,736 miles. Location, Kaysville, Utah, approximately 25 miles north of Salt Lake City. Offered for sale is an extremely low-mileage 2007 Big Dog Mastiff, a breathtaking pro street Softail chopper that combines aggressive hardtail looks with the comfort of a Softail suspension. With only 1,736 carefully maintained miles, this bike is a rare find in outstanding condition. Finished in a stunning metallic lime green paint with custom airbrushed skulls, it is a true showstopper that looks even better in person than in photos. Chrome and polished billet details are everywhere, highlighting the craftsmanship Big Dog is known for. Power comes from a massive carbureted 117 Ci, 1,916 cubic centimeters, SNS V-twin engine paired with a Baker 6-speed transmission and right-side balance drive, delivering brutal torque and smooth cruising performance. The bike features PM polished billet wheels and brakes, Vance and Hines big radius exhaust, passenger pegs, sissy bar ready struts, a 21-inch front wheel, and an enormous 300mm rear tire that gives it an unmistakable pro street stance. Garage kept since new, clean title, and rated approximately 9.25/10 in condition, this Big Dog Mastiff offers exotic custom bike presence and power at a fraction of its original cost, an absolute blast to ride and a guaranteed head-turner wherever it goes. 1985 Harley-Davidson FXR. Price, $6,500, OBO. Mileage, 49,465 miles. Location, Gilbert, Arizona. This 1985 Harley-Davidson FXR is a true classic that represents one of Harley's most respected and best-handling frames ever built. Finished in a bold orange color, this bike has undeniable vintage character and authentic Harley attitude. With 49,465 miles, it's well-ridden but clearly well cared for, running strong and riding smoothly with a manual transmission that delivers a pure, old-school riding experience. Owned by just 2 riders and recently fitted with brand-new tires, this FXR is ready for the road and eager for its next chapter. These early FXR models are becoming harder to find, especially in solid running condition like this one. You really do have to see it in person to appreciate its presence, sound, and classic appeal. Priced at $6,500 OBO, this is a great opportunity to own a legendary Harley that blends history, performance, and timeless style. 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Price, $2,000. Mileage, 9,945 miles. Location, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a reliable and great-looking cruiser that offers smooth performance and everyday rideability at an excellent price. With only 9,945 miles, this bike has been lightly ridden and well-maintained, running strong with proven, dependable performance. Finished in a clean blue color, it has a classic cruiser style that's comfortable, balanced, and easy to ride. 2006 JPAG Chopper 300 cubic centimeters. Price, $2,200, OBO. Mileage, see video/photos. Location, El Paso, Texas. This 2006 JPAG Chopper 300 cubic centimeters is a fun, compact custom style bike that's perfect for someone looking for a lightweight cruiser or a cool weekend toy. The bike runs and works properly, comes with a clean title, and is in good overall condition. Its chopper-inspired design gives it a unique look that stands out, while the 300 cubic centimeters engine provides smooth, manageable power that's easy to enjoy. All details regarding mileage and condition are clearly shown in the photos and video, making this a straightforward and honest sale. Trades may be considered, and the price is open to reasonable offers. 1972 Yamaha XS Custom Bobber. Price: $3,500. Mileage: 1,972 miles. Location: Cannon City, Colorado. This 1972 Yamaha XS is a beautifully crafted custom bobber that blends vintage character with a fresh, rebuilt foundation. Originally a completely stock motorcycle, it has been thoughtfully transformed into a clean, minimalist bobber with a chopped frame and hardtail conversion, giving it that raw, old-school stance. With only 1,972 miles since the build, this bike reflects careful workmanship and attention to detail throughout. Finished in a classic green, this Yamaha XS delivers a true mechanical riding experience through its manual transmission and timeless design. Every major component was rebuilt during the transformation, making it as dependable as it is unique. Perfect for riders who appreciate vintage motorcycles with custom personality, this bobber offers a stripped-down, head-turning look and an engaging ride that stands apart from modern machines. 2007 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Price: $15,900. Mileage: 22,452 miles. Location: Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail is a classic touring-style cruiser that blends timeless Harley design with comfortable, road-ready performance. Finished in a rich red color, it delivers that unmistakable vintage Softail look while offering a smooth and confident ride through its manual transmission and well-balanced chassis. With 22,452 miles, this bike has been properly ridden and cared for, making it a solid and dependable machine. Known for its comfort and versatility, the Heritage Softail is ideal for long highway cruises or relaxed city riding. Its classic styling, strong Harley presence, and proven reliability make it a great choice for riders looking for a traditional cruiser with character. Priced at $15,900, this bike is also open to trade considerations, offering flexibility for the right deal. 2002 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior 15-1700 Wide Tire Custom. Price: $3,800. Firm. Mileage: 18,000 miles. Location: Phoenix, Arizona. This 2002 Yamaha RS Warrior 15-1700 is a true beast mode cruiser with serious muscle and custom attitude. Featuring Yamaha's powerful 1,700 cubic centimeters V-twin, this bike has been upgraded with Vance & Hines exhaust, a Dynojet power commander, tricky air ride suspension, and a chrome wide tire kit wearing a massive 280mm Metzeler rear tire. With only 18,000 miles and very light use over the past 15 years, it still runs well and delivers strong performance with an aggressive stance that demands attention. That said, this Warrior is best suited for an enthusiast or builder who understands custom bikes. The 280 rear tire is oversized for the stock fender and will need adjustment or a switch to a 260 for proper clearance, and the rear brake master cylinder will need a rebuild. Both tires are aged and should be replaced before regular riding. The bike is titled and registered in Arizona and priced firmly at $3,800. Reflecting its condition and potential. 2006 RevTech Custom Chopper price, $8,000 mileage, 5,300 miles location, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 2006 RevTech Custom Chopper is a clean, low-mileage custom build that delivers classic chopper style with serious V-twin power. With just 5,300 miles, this bike has been lightly ridden and well-maintained. Finished in a rich brown color, it has a unique, understated look that sets it apart from the typical custom chopper. At the heart of this machine is a strong 110Ci RevTech engine paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission, providing plenty of torque and an exciting ride whether cruising the streets or rolling into a bike night. 2004 Victory Vegas. Price: $4,995. Mileage: 16,731 miles. Location: Stockton, California. Here's a 2004 Victory Vegas, a rare and striking custom-styled cruiser designed to turn heads wherever it goes. With 16,731 miles on the clock, this bike has been well cared for and still rides beautifully, offering both comfort and performance for long rides or spirited cruising through the city. Finished in a deep glossy blue, the Victory Vegas combines muscular lines, low-slung styling, and an aggressive stance that gives it the presence of a much larger and more expensive machine. Built to impress, the Vegas features a smooth, responsive engine and drivetrain that delivers plenty of torque and effortless acceleration. Its wide rear tire and stretched profile add to the commanding look, while thoughtful details like chrome accents and ergonomic seating make it comfortable for extended rides. This bike is perfect for riders who want a combination of reliability, eye-catching design, and a strong road presence without compromising on style or performance. Whether you're attending bike rallies, cruising highways, or just enjoying weekend rides, this Victory Vegas offers a unique riding experience that blends custom flair with everyday usability, all at a very attractive price of $4,995. 2014 Victory Vision Tour. Price: $7,400. Mileage: 6,950 miles. Location: Missouri City, Texas. Here's a 2014 Victory Vision Tour, a full-dress touring motorcycle that combines comfort, technology, and bold styling for riders who crave long-distance adventure with flair. With only 6,950 miles, this orange beauty has been exceptionally well cared for and is ready to hit the road. Its low mileage and clean condition make it a rare opportunity for anyone seeking a premium touring experience without the high cost of a new bike. Built for serious touring, the Vision features ergonomic seating, ample storage, and smooth handling that make even long rides comfortable and enjoyable. The powerful drivetrain and manual transmission deliver responsive performance, while the distinctive styling ensures you stand out wherever you go. With 2 careful owners and elite touring features, this Victory Vision is perfect for riders looking for a reliable, stylish, and ready-to-ride touring machine at a fantastic price of $7,400. Its combination of low mileage, attention to detail, and touring capability make it a top choice for enthusiasts who want both comfort and presence on the road.